The technology to send astronauts to Mars may be here before we know it, but the voyage will likely require years of travel. And that means serious psychological strain for any astronauts making the trip. Coming up about half an hour from now, a look at some of the work that's being done to understand and improve that often overlooked aspect of traveling to the stars, astronauts' mental health. But first, pulling the plug on a fountain of youth.
Everything okay? I don't know. Is it? Oh, sorry. Guys. Bryce. Guys. Bryce is very discreet. Keep going. This is great. Is Bryce your assistant? No, of course not. It's my transfusion associate. Which is? Are you really not familiar with parabiosis? Can't say that I am. Well, the science is actually pretty fascinating. Regular transfusions of the blood of a younger, physically fit donor can significantly retard the aging process. And Bryce is a picture of health. Looks like a Nazi propaganda poster.
On the HBO comedy series.
Nazi propaganda poster.
On the HBO comedy series Silicon Valley, anti-aging blood transfusions are played for laughs. But the writers on that show didn't invent them. In real life, California today.
When you seen it.